Mizoram Synod-In Koldamdoi ina Mizoram Universal Healthcare Scheme Hmang Turin, Mizoram Sorkar le Mizoram Synod-In Vawiin Khan Inremna Thuthlung and Ziak. Mizoram Universal Healthcare Scheme Hmang Tura Inremna Memorandum of Agreement hi Vawiin Khan Health Minister Pilarin Puyi kay Shuayin a Office Chamber Ziania. Inremna hian Health and Family Welfare Department IOIN Mizoram State Healthcare Society CEO Dr. Laishat Zwaliral Tele Synod IOIN Moderator Reverend R.C. Langhak Lianan Hming and Ziak ani. Anin Inremna ang chuan Thathar November ni khatachangin Synod Hospital Durtlang le John Williams Hospital Lungleya Mizoram Universal Healthcare Scheme Muhcs hi manchan ani donani Vaina Muhcs Hmang Tura MOU ziana hian Health and Family Welfare Department atangin Mizoram State Healthcare Society Deputy CEO Dr. R. Lelswan Oma Mizoram State Healthcare Society Medical Officer Dr. C. Vanlaldu Sakale, Informatics Officer Pulal Zirti Rate Antela, Mizoram Synod Atangin Moderator Baka, Senior Executive Secretary Reverend V. L. Loya Shanle, Executive Secretary Hospital Changtu Reverend Dr. Kela Lomzwala, Secretary Senior Upa Vanelso Masiak Engle, Secretary Junior Reverend B. Zohmangayate Antelani.